fifth grade Shurley method, page 10, part 1, and we're going to be doing exercises 1 and 2 today. So our first sentence, the lion circled back and leaped onto the back of the hunter. Who circled back and leaped onto the back of the hunter? Lion. Subject, noun. What is being said about the lion? There's actually two. There's circled and leaped, right? So that means they are compound verb. Okay. Circled how? Back. That's an adverb. And is a function, right? On to preposition. On to what? Back. Object of the preposition. The of preposition of what? The pattern, subject, noun, verb, pattern, 1, check. Prepositional phrases, onto the back of the hunter, exclamation point, so a strong filling exclamatory sentence. Okay, go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Okay, is there an adverb exception? No, because it's with the complete predicate, right? Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural. Okay. Yes, leave quietly in the morning before dawn. Okay. So, who should leave quietly in the morning before dawn? You, and that is the subject pronoun, right? Okay. What is being said about you? Leave, verb, leave how? Quietly, adverb. Okay. Yes is the what? It's called the interjection, right? Okay. In preposition in what? The before preposition before when? Object of the preposition, pattern, verb, pattern, 1, okay. In the morning, before dawn, period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Yep, it's a command. So yep, it wouldn't be declarative, it would be imperative, right? Okay, so go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. So where does that always go?
After the yes and the you.
Between the, not between the yes and the you, between the, because it always goes before the verb, right? Okay, is there an adverb exception? Nope, because it's with the complete predicate, and then is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural. Okay. Does our milkman always come before daybreak? Who always comes before daybreak? Okay, milkman, subject, noun. What is being said about the milkman?
Come.
So it's always comes. Come is the verb, always is the adverb. Okay, before when? Okay. Who's milkman? Our, possessive pronoun adjective. Guys, I forgot about does, because the verb is does always come, right? Does is the helping verb. Okay. And then of course, come is the verb and always is the adverb. Okay. So our pattern. Before daybreak, prepositional phrase, question mark, interrogative sentence. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject between the complete predicate. So where is that at?
Always and no, always and come. Or always and no.
It would be between always and come. However, is there an adverb exception? Yes, because the adverb always has to be with the predicate, right?
Yes.
So we would put it between always and come, but then it needs to be moved to between milkman and always. Okay? Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Inverted, right? So underline does twice, or milkman once, and always come before daybreak twice. You guys are going to do number 4 for homework. Okay? And once again, the pattern will just be subject, noun, verb, pattern 1, check. Okay? Number 2, or exercise 2, underline the correct homonym in each sentence. Okay? So the baby bird cried for its mother. Which one? The first one, because if I tried to use the second one and broke it apart and said the baby bird cried for its mother, would that work? No. An Indian led the men through the woods. The first one. The second one is like metal, right? Okay. Our principal interest is in shipping. Which one? The second one, because an easy way to remember that type of principle, it has pal in it, and a pal could be a friend, right? Okay, so that would be a person. All right. Okay, you guys are going to do 4, 5, and 6 for homework. Okay, and that's all for today.